Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on CHR. For the past several months, in my so many previous videos, I have been showing you that CHR has formed a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And I have been telling you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then a very long-term uptrend will be started, a quite big rally will be started. And this was one of those videos when it was quite squeezed inside that wedge. And I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this falling wedge pattern. Let me to show you what I was telling you in my previous videos. And now the pricing is quite squeezed inside this very big falling wedge pattern between the support of this channel and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in case of breaking out this big falling wedge pattern, we can expect a very massive rally because this is a multi-years resistance level. And once the pricing will be able to break it out, then the technical target for this big breakout, by the way, first it can hit the target for this smaller breakout from this channel that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 23 cents or 24 cents. And the final target for this bigger breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.50. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out this resistance of the wedge here in the month of October 2020. And before that, it also formed this smaller down channel as well. And you can see that the same resistance of the wedge was also working as a resistance of this down channel as well. And now if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that so far it has pumped almost 568%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 50 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several months. And here for several weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. And after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this breakout that I was showing you in my previous video from this ascending triangle. And after the breakout, I was telling you that the target for this breakout can be here. That was approximately at 46.9 cents. And you can see that the price end has rallied beyond that target. And now recently, you can see that it has formed another up channel. The previous support of the triangle is still working as a support for this newly formed up channel. This is their support and this is the resistance of this newly formed up channel. If we just ignore this fake out, then you can see that still it is following this uptrend line resistance. You can see we got rejection here, and rejection here. And this is the uptrend line support of this channel. And we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Loca, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 6th of March 2024, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone. This was the sell target zone and the stop loss as well. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CHR, and this is the daily time frame chart, and this was the breakout from this ascending triangle that I was showing in my previous video. And you can see that after the breakout, the price then pumped very well, but got stuck inside in another up channel. The previous support of the triangle is working, still working as a support of this channel, and this is the up trend line resistance. Here we had a fake out, but the price then got rejected by this resistance of 50 cents and re-entered the same channel. We had another bounce, rejection, and now the price line is again about to test the support of this channel. This time, if the price line tests the support, then it can move somewhere here approximately at 35.7 cents. And if the price line moves up to hit the resistance of this channel, then this time the resistance will be approximately at 61 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance of 50 cents as well. And in case of breaking down this channel, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 20 cents. And if the price then breaks out the resistance of this channel, then after the breakout, the target, for example, if it will break it out from here, then target will to the upside will be approximately at $1.05. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out these two patterns, and target for the breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 25 cents. And you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. And now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that target is, by the way, still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.